Can I actually grow mushrooms directly in my garden soil? Or is this going to be a total disaster? Mushrooms growing directly in your garden soil is a natural occurrence that's more common than you think. It's not something you typically cultivate, but rather a sign of the ecosystem at work. When you see mushrooms popping up in your garden, it's an indication that there's a lot of organic matter being broken down. Some people might worry about these unexpected growths, wondering if they're good or bad for their plants. The truth is, most gardeners aren't sure what to make of them. The concern usually stems from not understanding what mushrooms are and what they do. People often think of mushrooms as pests or diseases, but that's not entirely accurate. In reality, they play a vital role in the ecosystem. Mushrooms are actually the fruiting bodies of fungi, which are essential for soil health. They help break down organic matter and facilitate nutrient cycling. Without fungi, soil wouldn't be able to support plant life as we know it. There are many types of mushrooms that might appear in your garden, each with their own role to play. Some are decomposers, while others form symbiotic relationships with plant roots. For example, mycorrhizal fungi help plants absorb nutrients more efficiently. Seeing a variety of mushrooms in your garden can be a sign of a thriving ecosystem. These fungi help create a network of underground connections that support plant growth. It's a beautiful example of how different organisms work together to create a healthy environment. Most mushrooms in your garden are a sign of healthy soil, not a problem. They indicate that the ecosystem is functioning as it should. Instead of worrying about them, you can view them as a positive sign. In fact, some gardeners actively encourage mushroom growth as a way to improve soil fertility. By allowing fungi to do their thing, you're creating a more balanced and resilient ecosystem. So, if you see mushrooms growing in your garden, don't be alarmed. They're generally a good sign of healthy soil and a thriving ecosystem. If you've had experiences with mushrooms in your garden, share them with us in the comments below. Subscribe for more gardening advice and don't forget to hit the notification bell.